Alright guys, so you're going to go to my website, the home page. You will scroll down to where it says Xello. You will click on Xello. You will log in, and then I don't know if this is the screen that you will get or not, but if this is the screen you get, you will be taking the matchmaker, personality style, mission complete, learning style, quizzes, I guess, if you will. If this is not what you see and this is what you see, then you can click on these individually. Oops, I'm sorry. Then you can click on these individually and take them, your personality style, learning style, career matches, those kinds of things. But that's how you're going to find what you're doing today. Let me know if you have any trouble. And when you are finished, please send me a screenshot that looks like this, so I can see your career matches, your personality style, and your learning style. You will just screenshot it and go to Google Classroom and turn it in. Thanks guys, and have a wonderful day.